Hey there, how's everyone doing? Today we're going to go take a look at a very special G-Shock watch. Now give me a second because it's probably going to take me 3 minutes just to give you the watch number on this. It is a GMWB5000D-1. So let's take a look at this baby. And the standard G-Shock case here. Pop this guy open and yes, a plastic bag. No, seriously, the watch is in there. And we'll whip this guy out. Here we go. So this is an all-metal version of the classic G-Shock digital watch. And that G-Shock watch has become an icon now. And it's actually really cool to see it here in real life. At first it seemed kind of like, oh, okay, you know, they're making a metal band and a metal watch of the classic G-Shock. But then when you get in your hands, you take a look at it. It's really a cool looking watch. Hits all the neat retro vibe feelings that you get from watches with this kind of design. And they've upgraded it a lot. This one here has got the atomic clock timekeeping, and you can also sync it with the G-Shock app. So they took the classic, filled it up with modern features, and if you really think about it, for $500, the retail price on it, you can't beat that kind of features in a watch and the aesthetic design. And here you can see it on my wrist. What's also nice is that this is a solar watch, so no need to worry about changing any batteries or anything. And for the atomic timekeeping, for the radio syncing, it's got 6 different signals worldwide that transmit to your watch to give you accurate timekeeping. All in all, really cool watch, retro vibe, modern features. Thanks for taking the time to check it out.